Hi guys, welcome back to The Adventures. I took a little break, but hey, I'm back. Basically just been chilling out, been busy with work, busy with life stuff, so I just thought I'd do a little bit of an update. It's the weekend, just chilling out, we're having some pizzas. We figured why not have some fun, cook some pizza at home. I'm going to at my mate's place. And yeah, there's something going on, the police are down there. We're in an apartment and the police are downstairs. So maybe there'll be some excitement tonight. But yeah, just do a few little updates. I was thinking about traveling now, but the plans didn't really work out, and I just needed to focus on personal stuff here in Australia, like work and just life stuff. But yeah, so I don't know about travel yet, but because people have been asking, so you'll have to stay tuned. But this is more just to touch base, keep in touch with you guys, and you know, do a little update vlog. This is interesting. Police thought they'd stop by and say hello.
What's that with the... It's hot. That was so flat.
Ooh, baby.
Get a slice of it. One of them, the worst slice.
No, you don't just fine, man. Even quarters is fine.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's just us, but yeah, I mean, that's even better now. It'd be very easy to eat.
I love this.
Pineapple. Yeah, imagine it's very popular in Philippines, the pineapple.
Yeah, apparently now.
With the fruit, you know?
Yeah. Australian doesn't like it.
Ooh, baby. Oh man, that is cheesy. Look at that.
Yeah.